Write a program to convert binary number stored at memory location 2600H into its BCD equivalent and store 3-digit BCD in 3 consecutive memory locations. Here, suppose in memory location 2600 the number FE is there. You have to convert this number in terms of BCD, and in consecutive memory location, first you have to store the value of unit place, the value of tens place, and the value of hundred place. Here the logic is very simple. Once you understand the logic, then the program part is very easy. Here FE is in hexadecimal form. The equivalent in decimal form is 254. The equivalent in decimal form is 254. How to convert this number in unit place value, tens place value and hundred place value? You have to separate the digit. First, compare the number with 100. If the number is greater than 100, subtract 100. Whatever answer you will get, again compare that number with 100. If still this number is greater than 100, again subtract 100. Then check the number, whatever answer you will get. If this number is greater than 100, then you have to subtract 100 again. But if the number is not greater than 100, then you have to compare it with 10. Here, how many times we subtracted the number 100? We subtracted the number 100 2 times. That means 2 is the 100 place value. Here number 54, it is not greater than 100, then you have to compare it with 10 and go on subtracting 10 till the remainder is less than 10. 54 minus 10, you will get 44, it is greater than 10. Again subtract 10, you will get 34, it is greater than 10. Again subtract 10, it is 24, it is greater than 10. Again subtract 10, you will get 14, it is greater than 10. Again subtract 10, you will get 4. Now this is less than 10. But whenever you subtract 10, every time go on incrementing one counter. Here first time, second time, third time, fourth time and fifth time. When you subtract the value 5 times, then the remainder part is less than 10. That means here 5 is the value at tens place. And whatever the remainder part is there, that is the value at units place. This is the simple logic behind to convert the number from hex or binary to BCD. Whatever number you are having, to understand the logic, first I written that number in terms of decimal form. Compare that number with 100. If the number is greater than 100, go on subtracting it till the remainder is less than 100. How many times you subtracted in this case? 2 times. That means at 100 place you will get a digit 2. Then 54. Go on subtracting 10 till the remainder becomes less than 10. How many times you have to subtract it? You have to subtract it 5 times. That means the tens value is having digit 5 and the remainder is the value at unit place. But this part is explained in terms of the numbers if they are in decimal form. Here it performs hexadecimal calculation. Here 100 is nothing but 64. 100 is nothing but 64. and 10 is nothing but 0A. And 10 is nothing but 0A. FE is greater than 64, subtract 64. Whatever answer you will get, 9A. Whatever answer you get, 9A. This number is greater than 64, yes, again subtract 64. How many times you subtracted 64? 2 times you subtracted 64. You get the answer 36, which is less than 64. Same logic is to be applied, and here 63 minus 0A, increment the counter. The number is 2C. Again subtract 0A, the number is 22, which is greater than 0A. Again subtract 0A, number is 18, you will get 0, you will get 0E. Again subtract 0A, you will get 4. Here 0A is to be subtracted 5 times. It is to be subtracted 5 times. Therefore, you will get 10's place value as 5. Same logic is applied. Alexa H2600. Here counter how many times? Once you subtracted 64, that means 100, you have to increment B by 1. Once you subtracted 10, that is 0A, you have to increment C by 1. So LXIB 00, bring the number to accumulator, it is compared with 64. If carry is not there, that means here number is greater. If number is less, then carry flag is set. If carry flag is set, then you have to compare the number with A, that means 10. Otherwise, subtract 64 and increment B. Subtract 64 and increment B. Number 9A, greater than 64. Here, go to the jump up, go to the instruction up, compare with 64. 9A is greater, again subtract 64, increment B. Whatever answer you get, that is 2C, which is not less than, which is not greater than 64. Then whatever logic just now I told you, go on performing that logic. Compare with A. It is greater, then subtract and increment C. Subtract and increment C. If it is greater, subtract and increment C. This part you have to perform 5 times. When you perform this part repeatedly 5 times, you will get the answer 04, which is less than A. That means counter in register C represents the value at 10's place. Counter in register B represents the value at 100 place, and the remainder, that is accumulator, represents the value at unit place. INXH, go to this memory, move A to M, unit place value is transferred here. INXH, go to the next memory, 10's place value, that is C, is to be transferred to memory, that is 05 is transferred here. INXH, go to the next memory, and value is transferred to there. First, unit place value is transferred, which is at A, then 10's place value is transferred, which is at B, then 100 place value is transferred, which is at C. This is the simple program. Once you understand the logic behind the program is very easy. Now we have to execute the program. Here is the program that converts binary to BCD. I will execute this program for few steps one by one and then directly. LXIH 2600, you will get 2600. At 2600, the number is FE. 2601, 02 and 03, you will get the answer. That number is register B and C becomes 0000. Number is brought to accumulator. It is compared with 64. 64 It is number greater, therefore 64 subtracted and B incremented. Again compare with 64, 64 subtracted and B incremented. Here number is less than 64, therefore it will go to the next step. It is compare with A. As it is compared with A, number is greater, A is subtracted and C gets incremented. This takes place, A is subtracted till the content of accumulator becomes less than A. Here you are getting A and C. Concentrate on A and C. Greater, subtract, less. Here 5 times we subtracted, accumulator equal to 4. Next step, INXH 2601, content of accumulator will go to this place 04. INXH 2602, content of register C, that is 5, goes at this place 9XH. Thus program gets executed. Same program we can execute on a different type of kit. I will show the different type of kit here. You are getting the different type of kit. Okay. Here at 2600 number 00 is there. I will decrement. Here I am taking number FE. At next incremented value 00. Execute this program. Reset go 2000. Execute and check the contents of the result 260. Reset go 2000. Execute the program. Reset set memory 2600. The number FE, you will get here result. If we change the number here, the result also changes. I will change the number. Instead of FE, we will take the number here D4. And now execute the program. Reset, go 2000, execute. You will get the result. Reset exam memory 2600. The number is D4. You will get its equivalent 02, 01 and 02. This all about the program.